Hey everyone, the Ninkear M7 Mini PC is built for users who need strong performance in a small, power-efficient device, making it a versatile option for both work and leisure. It combines compact design, reliable build quality, and modern connectivity, all while being sold through major platforms like Amazon. At its core, the M7 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7743-0U processor, a 6-core, 12-thread chip. This gives the device a fast and responsive performance profile, making it suitable for everything from web browsing and office tasks to image editing and running multiple programs at once. Paired with AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics, it also supports 4K video playback, light gaming, and even 8K output for highly demanding visuals. The system comes with 16 gigs of dual-channel DDR4 RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking, and a 512 gigs NVMe SSD for fast storage access and quick boot times. What makes the M7 particularly appealing is its expandability. Users can upgrade the RAM to 64 gigs and the storage to up to 4 terabytes, with a second M2 2280 slot available for further flexibility. This level of upgradability ensures the Mini PC can stay relevant for years to come. Design-wise, the M7 uses a full aluminum alloy case that not only looks premium, but also contributes to better heat dissipation. Its cooling system is engineered to keep the unit efficient and quiet under load. The small size makes it a practical option for tight workspaces, and VESA mount compatibility means it can even be tucked behind a monitor for an ultra-clean setup. For visual output, the M7 supports up to 8K UHD resolution and can connect to 4 displays simultaneously through its dual HDMI and dual USB-C ports. This makes it an excellent solution for users who need multi-screen setups, such as stock traders, creative professionals, or heavy multitaskers. Connectivity is also a strong point. With Wi-Fi 6, the device delivers much faster wireless speeds compared to older standards, ensuring smooth streaming, browsing, and video calls. Bluetooth 5.2 is also included, allowing stable connections with modern wireless accessories such as keyboards, mice, and headphones. Despite its strong performance, the M7 is highly energy efficient, consuming just 15 watts of power. This makes it not only economical, but also environmentally friendly. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty and dedicated customer support, it is built with long-term reliability in mind. In everyday use, the Ninkear M7 is well-suited for video conferencing, online learning, remote work, and standard multitasking. It also handles 4K streaming and 8K media production well. And while it's not designed as a hardcore gaming machine, it's more than capable of running lighter games comfortably. Creative users will also find it reliable for software like Photoshop and design tools. Overall, the Ninkear M7 Mini PC delivers an appealing mix of power, portability, and efficiency. With its expandable memory and storage, multi-display support, and modern connectivity options, it stands out as a strong choice for professionals, students, and home users who want a dependable and adaptable compact computer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.